So my friend just texted me and invited me to go camping at a park in Kentucky. Oh, I'm gonna drive to Kentucky tonight, stay with my friend, and then tomorrow we're gonna be driving to the campsite. I've been wanting to disconnect, unplug, and get into nature. I'm super excited, and I don't get to see this friend that often, so I'm so excited to see her and spend time with her. It's like 70s in Kentucky right now, and it's like 50s in Indiana, so I gotta figure out what I'm packing. Zebra biker shorts. I packed some sweatpants, this sweater, some leggings. I got these at Plato's Closet. And then this shirt I also got from Plato's Closet, but it's from Shein. But it's like dry fit material, so it's gonna be super comfy to hike in. These are my hiking boots. So these are the only shoes I'm bringing with me. My vitamins smell so bad. I don't know how long I've had them in here for. Oh. Obviously, this water bottle is coming with me, but it's not that big. So I'm also going to be packing this bottle. Also my little hammock. Oh my god. I just locked my keys in my fucking car. I locked my keys in the trunk. Ugh.
$75. Okay, I'm not a member as of 4 days ago.
Ugh, that's some bullshit. Let me call my mom.
Days.
Yeah. I'm gonna call my mom. Fuck my life. Fuck me life.
Puppies, poor thing.
Aww.
She's so cute though.
Hi. Oh my goodness. We got it. We got it. I've got my coffee and my keys. It's like 2 p.m. It's a 2-hour drive, but we're still gonna go. We're still gonna do it. I'm not sure if we'll be staying the night or not, but. This is low-key scary. I'm currently editing this YouTube video, but I realized that I need to fill you in on some things. Once we got done hiking during the sunset, we got back in our car and drove around the park for, I would say, like an hour or two, honestly, trying to find a spot to make a fire at and just like chill. It was one of the first nice nights there, like weather-wise. So a lot of people were in the park just having a good time. So it was hard to find a spot to make a fire. But while we were driving around, Morgan and I saw a motherfucking ghost, like a fucking orb. It was like a blue orb with golden eyes. It was such a strange experience. Like I don't even know how to describe it to you, but that happened. We still stayed though, like we still drove around after that and still found a place to make a fire because we wanted to make a motherfucking fire. So yeah, back to the video.
I'm so excited. I've never been able to build it by myself because there's always a man there that wants to build it his way. You know what I mean? Everyone I go with, the men have to show that they can build a fire. Like, bro, just chill and let me try to do it.
Every night is like a daze, but oh, I'm feeling raised as I know I'm running late. Let's wait just one more day. I know I'm running away from moments. What am I becoming? I guess something's broken.
What is
You
this
look
song?
so different to me. Tired of feeling lonely, like feel my song, feel my boy. In my, like that's the conversation.
I guess something's broken.